Have you ever considered the hurdles and challenges that persons with disabilities face every day? How they navigate a world that's often not designed with their needs in mind? Today, we delve into the extraordinary journeys of these individuals and celebrate their immense contributions to society. Consider the story of Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds of the 21st century. Despite being diagnosed with a rare form of motor neuron disease at the age of 21, which gradually paralyzed him over the decades, Hawking never let his physical limitations define him. Instead, he soared in the realm of theoretical physics, making significant contributions to our understanding of black holes and quantum mechanics. His resilience and determination are a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Or take the story of Frida Kahlo, the iconic Mexican painter known for her vibrant and deeply personal works of art. Despite enduring polio as a child and later surviving a horrific bus accident that left her with lifelong physical impairments, Kahlo channeled her pain and experiences into her art. Her unique style and vivid imagery continue to captivate audiences worldwide, making her a symbol of strength and creativity. Then, there's Marlee Matlin, an American actress who lost her hearing when she was just 18 months old. This didn't stop her from pursuing her passion for acting. At the age of 21, Matlin won the Academy Award for Best Actress for her role in Children of a Lesser God, making her the only deaf performer to have won the award. These real-life stories are not just about overcoming adversity. They are about individuals who, despite their disabilities, have made significant contributions to society. They remind us that disability does not equate to inability. Today, on the International Day of Persons with Disabilities, the theme is United in Action to Rescue and Achieve the SDGs for, with, and by persons with disabilities. This day is not just about acknowledging the challenges faced by persons with disabilities, but also about recognizing their potential and advocating for their rights and inclusion in all aspects of society. In conclusion, persons with disabilities like Stephen Hawking, Frida Kahlo, and Marlee Matlin have made significant contributions to society. They have shown us that with determination, resilience, and creativity, every obstacle can be overcome. This International Day of Persons with Disabilities, let us remember to celebrate their achievements and continue to advocate for their inclusion and rights. Remember, disability is not inability.